Hey everybody, this is Miss Burley. I am going to perform the periodic table families lab with you. And yeah, bear with me because I'm filming this myself. So I'm gonna do my best to not, spill all over everything. You can be following along with the handout called Periodic Tables Families Lab that is found on MyWJ. So here's the handout. Ooh, this is pretty close. But this is the handout. And here's our bin of things. And so I'm going to grab this well plate. And it says in step 1 to place 5 drops of each chemical, excluding silver nitrate and sodium bicarbonate, into 2 vertical wells in your well plate. As you place each chemical in a well, make sure to mark or remember the position of that chemical. Now, basically, we're going to set up our well plate just like this. So I'm going to put I'm going to fill 2 wells of each of these chemicals, and then I'm going to test down the well with each of these. So I will do that now. So our first is going to be the bromine solution. So let me find that. Sodium, magnesium. So our bromine solution is NaBr. So here's our NaBr. So I'm gonna put some NaBr in there. Our next one is the calcium solution, so CaNO3(2). And the bottle that has CaNO3(2) is this one. The next one is the chlorine solution, and that is going to be NaCl. So here's our I don't know where the camera is, NaCl. Sorry if I'm not getting myself in the screen. It's really hard to do this. Then we have the strontium solution. Here we are with the strontium nitrate in the third well. Oop, I put a little too much in here. And then magnesium solution, which is magnesium nitrate, which is right here, MgNO3. And then the iodine solution, which is Ki, and that's right here. Okay. Now we're going to test each of the solutions with these 2 things. We'll first test with sodium carbonate, which is this one. And it says that I should be placing 2 to 3 drops of sodium carbonate into each of the chemicals in the first, I say row, but really it's column. So here I go. Okay. And then you can see right away that there's some changes in the second, the fourth, and then the fifth. And then I'll test the silver nitrate in each of the ones in the second column. Okay. And so we can see how these reacted. The first column reacted with the sodium carbonate in the second, fourth, and fifth well. And then the second column reacted with the AgNO3. It was the first one that reacted, the third one that reacted, and the last one that reacted. So we're going to write that down in our data tables. This is really hard to do. Okay, so it says here to put a check for a reaction and an X for no reaction. So for the first one, there was no reaction. For the second one, there was a reaction. For the third one, there was no reaction. For the fourth and fifth, there was a change. And then for the sixth, there was none. And then the silver nitrate and how it reacted with these things. In the first, it did. In the second, it did not. Whoops, sorry. In the third, it did react. In the fourth and fifth, it did not. And then the sixth did react. Now what you guys should do is you should go to the back page. Do note what a period and a group is. Be sure to read about that. And then answer the questions accordingly. Whoop, I kind of wrote through the page a little bit. And then you're going to post your lab to MyWJ for points. I hope I'm not super close to the camera right now, but I hope you guys have a great day.